Hey guys, Random Goomba here. Went to Meijer with Mrs. Goomba. I got 2 sleeves of Silver Tempest and 2 151 mini tins. Wife got some Lorcana, so she's opening those. Doing the patented rip off the head of the thing like John Crambo taught me, because it goes so much smoother. We're going to get in a low-line vulpix or a low-line ninetales out of these Silver Tempest. Or they're just going to be bust like most Silver Tempest. Code card, 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy, Jinx, Brandon, Altaria, Murkrow, Emolga, Durant, Ralts, Fletchling, Radiant Jirachi, and Regidrago V-Star. So that's a good pack right there. Double hit pack. That's nice. Alright. Pack 2. Don't worry, I got sleeves. I'm going to put them in sleeves. Don't come at me in the comments. Black code card. 2, 3, 4. And the other one was a white code card, and it had 2 hits. That's unusual. Water, unidentified fossil, V-Guard energy, Torracat, Vulpix, Emolga, Chimicho, Baneri, Drowsy, Reverse Ferrothorn, and a Lugia V-Star. That's a nice hit too. Three pretty good hits out of my Silver Tempest tonight. That's nice. Appreciate that. This is the Dragonite Vulpix 10. Came with the Dragon Coin. I like the mini tins because it makes it easier to ship cards to people in bubble mailers. Just stuff them in a mini tin and stuff it in the bubble mailer. 151, pack 1. Code card, energy. Skip the bulk because no one really cares. Reverse Raticate. Reverse Diglett. And Kamaya Gengar. No hit there. Not even a foil energy. Pack 2 of 151. Metal energy. We'll skip the bulk. Reverse hollow Rhyhorn. Reverse hollow Beedrill. And foil Starmie. No hits out of the 2 packs there. This is Slowpoke and Sandshrew. Always liked Sandshrew. I always thought he was better than Pikachu. Water coin. And 2 packs out of here. And yes, Mrs. Goomba asked not to be in this video. She doesn't want to become a YouTube star. Unlike me, I just want to get paid to open packs. Not a foil energy. Skip the bulk. Reverse Executor. Reverse Kamaya Gengar. And Flareon. No luck on the 151 so far. Go ahead and hit this last pack. Not a foil energy. Skip. Reverse Zubat. Reverse Shelder. And foil Dodrio. No hits out of 151, but got 3 hits out of Silver Tempest, so all in all, okay. Thanks. Like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff.